Today's International Female Ride Day, the world's only global synchronized women's motorcycle ride.
Left on Roosevelt.
This Phoenix Region ride was organized by Go AZ Motorcycles and Harley-Davidson of Scottsdale. Joined by 5-time land speed record holder Valerie Thompson and AMA Pro Road and Spanish CEV racer Melissa Paris. Our ride starts out at Go AZ Motorcycles in North Scottsdale and passes through downtown Phoenix on the way to the top of South Mountain. After a group photo with the ladies overlooking Phoenix, we ride to the farm at South Mountain for lunch, where Valerie and Melissa talk to the ride group about their passion for riding and what it takes to be a professional racer. We are very excited to welcome the ladies on the ride, and everybody ride safe.